one. The equipment we are using today is a phone to time and film, a ruler to measure the wingspan, cut out paper helicopters, and scissors to cut them out, and also the first floor of the quadrangle. Yeah.
The end?
Yeah.
The forces acting on the helicopter gravity and air resistance is to investigate the effect of the propeller length on the helicopter drop speed.
The independent variables are propeller length, the dependent variables are flight time, and the control variables are same height, same place, same weather conditions, and landing position.
The hypotenuse of this experiment is to see the helicopter's drop speed and see what variables affected.
One.
Step 1, we went to the first floor of the quad. Step 2, we test the weather conditions. Step 3, we used a scaffold and used a paper clip to attach to the bottom. Step 4, we dropped the helicopter and recorded time. Step 5, we got the results.
What is this? Oh, no, there's a step 5, Dylan, jeez.
I said step 5.
These are the results of tests 1, 2, and 3 of our assignment.
The things that affected the helicopters that when they were dropping were the paper clips, because the paper clips fell off during the drop and that had caused difference in the thing. The improvements we need to make is we need to get better paper clips and maybe just a slight better design of helicopter.